Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Imamdin Chandu is here. I am chemistry lecturer at EPSEC Badin Kent. Today it is first lecture for class 10th Federal Board. Unit number 15, Environmental Chemistry. Water. So properties of water. वाटर के प्रॉपर्टीज़ में पहला जो हमारे पास टर्म है अकरेंस. व्हाट डज मीन बाय अकरेंस? वाटर इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट important substance on earth. It is present in an enormous quantity on earth. The ocean contains about 97% of world's water. The rest of water is in the form of glaciers, ice caps, groundwater and inland water, just like river, lakes, streams. It is also present in atmosphere in the form of water vapors. Seawater is unfit for drinking and agriculture purpose due to high percentage of dissolved salts such as sodium chloride, calcium chloride, or other salts which are not suitable for drinking or potable purpose. Only 0.2% of total water on earth is potable, which is fit for drinking purpose. This is diagram which represent the presence of water or percentage of water, occurrence of water. 97% of water present in oceans, while 2.1% of water present in the form of glaciers, ice caps. 0.001% of water is present in the atmosphere water, which is present water vapors. 0.6% of water which is present as a groundwater. Inland water, just like river etc., it is present 0.2%. This is a diagram which represents the distribution of water in our atmosphere, in our environment. Importance of water. What does mean by importance of water? At what level water is important for us? Water is crucial for sustaining our life. It is most important for sustaining our life. We need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning. So water is important for the drinking purpose, cleaning purpose, cooking purpose. So without water we cannot live life up to we can live for the 4 days, not more than 4 days. Without water we can live or sustain our life. It is also used for generating electricity. For the purpose of electricity, water is needed. Water is a necessity. Water is very important for the generating of the electricity. Farmer need water for cultivating their fields. For the fields, for the crops, simply water is important. Water is needed. Another point is properties of water. What properties of water has? Actually, water is composed of two elements, oxygen and hydrogen. One atom of oxygen combines with two atoms of hydrogen to form one molecule of water. Water is simply composed of two elements. One is oxygen, another is hydrogen. When two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen, they form a molecule which is said to be a molecule of water by means of covalent bond. But in case of water, so there's a hydrogen bonding takes place because there are two type of forces. One is intermolecular forces, there is intramolecular forces. While in case of intramolecular forces, the covalent bond between oxygen and hydrogen occurs, while in case of intermolecular forces, the bonding between two molecules occurs. So that's the composition of water. Water is composed of two elements. One is oxygen, another is hydrogen. But two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen, they form molecule of water. Pure water is clear, colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid with following properties. So for the pure water, first one is it is neutral to litmus. Litmus, it is a paper which is used for the determination of the either acidity, basicity, or neutrality of the simply liquids. It is neutral to litmus. Litmus, it is a paper. When we put paper in the water, so that will be that will not change its color. So it will be what? Neutral. Its freezing point is 0 centigrade, while boiling point is 100 centigrade at sea level. When we see the water, so at sea level, it is boiling point is 100 centigrade, while its freezing point is what? 0 centigrade. When we provide the temperature equal to 0 centigrade, water will start to freeze. Maximum density of water is 1 gram, which is at 4 centigrade, but not at 0 centigrade. That's anomalous behavior of water. That's a very important discussion, very important topic for the discussion. So we'll discuss in next lecture. So why the maximum density of water at 4 centigrade? Why? So we'll discuss. It is excellent solvent for ionic as well as molecular compound. So it is also said to be as a universal solvent. Why the water is said to be as a universal solvent? Because it has the ability to dissolve number of compounds. That's why this is said to be as a simply universal solvent, or it is excellent solvent for ionic as well as molecular compound, for ionic as well as covalent compound, just like simply sugar being a covalent compound, but it is soluble in water. Why? That's a simply another thing. So we'll discuss inshallah in next lecture, or when we in coming lecture, or in simply kilos. It has unusually high heat capacity, about 4.2 joule per gram per Kelvin, which is about 6 times greater than that of rocks. This specific property of water is responsible for keeping the earth temperature with limits. Otherwise, daytime temperature would have been too high to bear, and nighttime temperature would have been too low to freeze everything. So, due to properties of water, the temperature of earth remains constant, or remains at such a level at which we can survive. It has high surface tension. This unique property of water is responsible for its high capillary action. So what does mean by capillary action? Capillary action is the process by which water rises up from roots of plants to leaves. So this process is vital for survival of land plants. So for the survival of plants, the capillary action of water is necessary. So that's all about for today's lecture. Inshallah, in coming lecture we'll discuss the simply regarding water, which is regarding water. In my opinion, there is the properties of water, hardness or softness of water, or other composition of water, or some other properties of water. Thank you so much. Best of luck. If there is any question regarding this topic, regarding this lecture, you are allowed to ask. Thank you so much, guys.